Segmenting based on purchase history and browsing behavior is an important aspect of behavioral segmentation that enables businesses to target their customers more effectively. By analyzing the purchase history and browsing behavior of customers, businesses can gain valuable insights into their preferences and interests. This tutorial will guide you through the process of segmenting based on purchase history and browsing behavior, allowing you to create targeted marketing campaigns and personalized experiences for your customers. 1. Collecting purchase history data. 1. Start by collecting data on the purchase history of your customers. 1. This can include information such as the products they have purchased, the frequency of their purchases, and the total amount spent. 2. Implement a tracking system that records customer purchase data across all channels, including your website, physical stores, and mobile apps. 2. This will allow you to obtain a comprehensive view of their buying behavior. 1. Analyzing purchase history. 1. Once you have collected the purchase history data, start analyzing it to identify patterns and trends. 1. Look for commonalities among customers who have made similar purchases. 2. Identify key metrics that can help you understand customer behavior, such as average order value, purchase frequency, and product category preferences. 3. Group customers based on their purchase behavior. 3. For example, you can create segments for frequent buyers, high spenders, one-time buyers, or customers who have recently made a purchase. 1. Tracking browsing behavior. 1. Apart from purchase history, tracking browsing behavior is also crucial for effective segmentation. 1. This involves monitoring the web pages your customers visit, the products they view, and the duration of their browsing sessions. 2. Implement tools like Google Analytics or tracking pixels on your website to gather data on customer browsing behavior. 2. These tools can provide insights into the pages and products that generate the most interest. 1. Analyzing browsing behavior. 1. Analyze the browsing behavior data to gain insights into customer interests and preferences. 1. Look for patterns in the pages or products most frequently visited and the time spent on each page. 2. Identify customers who have shown a high level of engagement with specific products or product categories. 2. This can help you create relevant and personalized communication for each segment. 1. Integration of purchase and browsing data. 1. To achieve a comprehensive view of your customers, integrate the purchase history and browsing behavior data. 1. This will enable you to create more targeted segments based on both their purchasing and browsing habits. 2. Combine the purchase and browsing data to identify customers who have shown interest in specific products but have not yet made a purchase. 2. These customers can be targeted with personalized offers or recommendations to encourage conversion. 1. Creating targeted marketing campaigns. 1. Once you have segmented your customers based on purchase history and browsing behavior, use this information to tailor your marketing campaigns. 2. Develop personalized messages and offers that align with the interests and preferences of each segment. 2. For example, send product recommendations based on previous purchases or provide discounts on products customers have shown interest in but haven't purchased yet. 1. Monitoring and analysis. 1. Regularly monitor the performance of your segmentation strategy to assess its effectiveness. 1. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as conversion rates, click-through rates, and customer satisfaction scores. 2. Analyze the results of your campaigns to identify areas for improvement. 2. Make adjustments to your segmentation strategy based on the insights gained from these analyses. Conclusion: segmenting based on purchase history and browsing behavior is a powerful technique for businesses to better understand their customers and tailor their marketing efforts accordingly. By effectively segmenting your customer base, you can provide personalized experiences, increase customer satisfaction, and boost overall sales and engagement. Remember to continually analyze and refine your segmentation strategy to stay ahead in a dynamic and competitive market.